finally I have the Nieuwste Dispatch magazines, and this was from Aladdin. I only ordered 3, unfortunately. I am thinking of only keeping 1 anyway, or 1 or 2. So I ordered Baco, JR, and Ren, but I did purchase Aaron's one from someone else, so it worked out. With these dispatch with these dispatch magazines, if you pre-ordered them, they came with a few things. So they came with a random set of member photo cards, which is why I bought so many. It also came with a standing calendar. That's random as well, I think. And it also came with some pouch wallet type thing. So I should have 3 of each of those pre-order benefits in here. Ooh, wow. So we open it up and there is Ren, so beautiful pretty. Ren.
Oh my god.
Okay, so we've got 1, and this one is Ren's cover.
Oh my god.
And we've got Baco's cover. Okay, so the calendar should be the same as what the cover is. Oh, I can see, yes, I got my Bias Baco photo cards. These are huge.
Yeah, crap.
Oh gosh, no wonder why the shipping was expensive and they were so heavy. And then we finally got the nation's leader JR, who is in the jungle right now.
He's a Minhyuk.
Here we go. And so again, these calendars, so they correspond with the member cover, and I was told that the photo cards are random, so I'm hoping I at least get 3 different members, but I'm not sure because we just saw that Baco's photo cards are in Baco's cover. So anyway, I didn't get Aaron's cover, but I did purchase the calendar from someone else because I want all 4 members. If it could have been 5 members, I would have. Thank you. We'll be back soon. We're waiting for you. Okay. So here we go. I will open Ren's first. Here is the front, the spine. I think it's just so with the dispatch magazines, it's just the front covers that are different, and that's why I might be selling these. But everything else should be the same. So the contents should be the same. It doesn't seem like there's a wallet in here. I don't know. Anyway, let's see.
Oh, this one's really tight.
Yeah.
There's like an opening at his nose, so.
Oh, okay. I'll just open that then. It's really hot in Sydney right now. It's probably 40-something degrees today. Celsius. By the way.
I'm like, that's not hot. That's really cold.
Okay. Oh, my back hurts. So, it comes with, yes, it does. Okay, so it came with a little pouch thing. I'm not sure if all of them are red. I swear I thought it was pink. In the photo, it looked pink. But regardless, it's pretty. And
so
we've got Ren, so I'm guessing they aren't random.
Cute.
Oh, they're beautiful. So we've got, okay, let me show you all of them. So this is the Ren photo card set. Oh, I wish I bought Aaron's one now. I didn't know that we were gonna get the each member. So we've got this is a standing calendar, so it goes something like this. And then they've got the group Nieuwste W at the back. That's so cute.
Could be cold.
And then we've got the magazine itself. I have.
Oh wow!
Joshua! That's not allowed. You can't just show 17 like that. There was
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is so worth my money. So all of these are the same. I will be selling this one. I think I'll just be keeping Baker, who's my ultimate bias, but who knows, I'll probably end up keeping JR's as well. Maybe Ren's, we don't know.
Maybe I'll end up buying Aaron's.
Okay, so this is JR's. Oh, sorry, my dog. JR's cover, and hopefully we have JR's photo cards, Aaron's photo cards, because I don't want duplicates. And it's quite difficult to trade these days, especially in Australia. Everyone wants meetups, and you end up spending so much money for petrol. And you could just post it out for $2. Ooh, okay, so we've got the standing calendar. This is so cute.
So it's not random?
No, it's not random. Apparently, it's not random. We were fooled, but that's fine because now I've got 3 different photo card sets.
Cute.
Oh, JR is so beautiful. How are you doing in the jungle, JR? Are you dying?
Oh, that was cute.
Okay. And then again, we've got the pouch thing, and these are the same color, so I'll just be selling these. And then we've got the same magazine, so everything in this is the same. And then we've got Baker's cover. I think I'll probably just make this a different video.
Okay.
Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh. If you break Baker, I'm gonna get so angry. Oh no!
No!
Okay.
Oh my god.
So we've got Baker's cover. Again, the inside is the same. I'll probably go through these since I'll make this a different video. And we've got his cute little photo cards. He's so cute. How are people ever scared of this teddy bear?
Yeah, he's a teddy bear. Aww.
That's the best photo card I've seen. That
She just died?
yes.
Yes.
And the pouch, same color. It's pretty cute because it has the love on it. Oh, what can you put in this? Nothing? It's so thin.
You can put the photo card.
Yeah, I think you can put the photo card. And then the same standing calendar. Okay, so I'll be back. I'll be opening one of these and looking through the pages. It's going to kill me. Bye. I've decided to open JR's version. Again, all of the magazines, the contents are the same. It's only the covers that are different. Okay. Let's have a look at the photos. It's going to take ages. Contents. Oh gosh, they have contents. Oh gosh, Baker is shaving. JR. Oh.
Whoa.
Wait, I don't understand. He's eating Fruit Loops, but what's that in his mouth?
A cake? Oh my god. That's so loud.
Why?
What?
Whoa!
What?
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 Oh,
What?
the sweetest.
Oh look, he's
Aw.
eating it. Oh my god, it's freaking overcome.
Hanahaki.
It's overcome.
He has Hanahaki disease for Ren.
Oh gosh. I feel like Aaron doesn't get enough
Look
love.
at it, look at it.
What?
It's an American flag.
Why? Oh, because LA! Ooh, what is he eating? I'm hungry.
Pasta. Oh, he's such a sweet, cute. Oh my god.
Baco. Baco is my ultimate bias. I feel like I've said that in every video that I've done where I'm talking. But Baco, just for anyone who isn't aware, Baco is my ultimate bias. And he's shaving.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Whoa.
What? I wonder what does his tattoo say? I haven't looked at his bare chest.
So, oh my
Ren,
god.
beautiful Ren.
He's my bias in USW. Because someone's not in it.
Minion?
Yeah.
Is Minion your bias?
Yeah.
Minion, I feel, is everyone's bias right now. Because he's in
Wow,
one
I
of them.
love Ren.
Ren
I
has
don't know.
perfect features, and I'm really jealous of him.
I love all of them. This is hard. Aaron.
Group.
My god. Aaron. The only realist ship there is. Oh.
Oh, I'm grumpy. My babies.
Whoa. Stop.
Night. There's a night.
Wonderful night.
What do they do at nighttime?
They sleep.
Don't they eat as well?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, they're in the bar.
I swear JR gets prettier.
Hey, that's not fair. Wow.
How does he get his skin so nice?
Colors. Whoa. Cute.
Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa, he's earring. He has one here too.
You would
Like
take my
Clayton.
heart. That's the piercing that I'm gonna get.
Yep.
Just because Baker has it. Ooh.
Colors.
The visual. The visual.
The visual. We know. We get it. You're pretty.
How?
That's not fair.
What do his parents?
What happened?
What happened? Ada.
What happened? Cute.
Oh,
they're
I wish I was
smiling.
there. Oh,
Oh,
their concerts.
wow. That's pretty.
Where you at?
You're my love. Cute.
Oh.
That's a big photo.
That's a huge photo, and he has no imperfections.
Wow.
Where you at?
Aww.
Oh, cute.
Oh my gosh.
I can't wait to get their season's greetings.
Ah.
It was so tough to find it. I went to the website that, for some reason, they only sold it in one website. And that website was only for Korean residents.